Have you ever stared at a girl and wondered, does she actually love me, or is she just being nice? Maybe she laughs at your jokes, texts you every day, and looks at you in that one way that makes your heart skip. But still, deep down, you're unsure. You tell yourself, maybe I'm imagining things. Yet every time you see her, something inside you whispers, no, this feels different. Tonight, we're not chasing fantasy or overthinking signals. Tonight, we're decoding reality. The subtle, hidden signs that reveal when a woman's heart truly belongs to you. Welcome to a story that's not just about romance, but about understanding the quiet language of love, the kind that isn't shouted, but felt in silence. In a world full of fake affection, mind games, and social media filters, it's hard to tell who really loves you. But real love, even when silent, leaves a trail. Small, unspoken gestures that speak louder than any "I love you." So, sit back, clear your mind, and open your heart, because by the end of this video, you'll never mistake mixed signals for real love again. Love doesn't always arrive with fireworks. Sometimes it's in the calmest moments. A lingering glance, a nervous laugh, a tiny pause before saying goodbye. You'll notice it when she looks at you differently than she looks at anyone else. Not because she's trying to impress you, but because in that instant, her heart softens. But her eyes betray what her lips refuse to admit, that she cares. She might not tell you she misses you, but his actions will reveal it. You'll notice she remembers the smallest memory, your favorite snack, that random talk you mentioned weeks ago, the way your mood changes when you're stressed. When a woman loves you, she doesn't just listen, she reads you. She stores pictures of you in her memory and recalls them later in ways that will make you stop and think. Wait and see, how did she even remember that? Real love shows itself in her patience. When she loves you, she doesn't rush you into being perfect. She understands your flaws, not as red flags, but as human moments. She won't try to fix you. She'll stand beside you while you fix yourself, and that's one of the rarest forms of loyalty you'll ever experience. You'll also feel it in the quiet. When two people share silence without awkwardness, that's come intimacy. When she can sit next to you, say nothing, and still feel connected, that's love without words. A girl who truly loves you doesn't always need attention. She needs presence. It's the comfort of knowing you exist in her world, not as a passing thought, but as a constant feeling. You might notice how she supports your dreams, not just with words, but through actions. She'll push you to do better, not because she wants to change you, but because she believes in your potential. A woman in love becomes your quiet motivator. She'll see greatness in you long before you see it in yourself. And then you will notice how he looks at you when you are not looking at him, how he behaves when you are talking to someone else, or when you smile. If you understand that he is thinking about you from the depths of his heart, then you will understand that this is the manifestation of love, which manifests itself in the most natural way. When she loves you, she doesn't trap you. She gives you freedom because she trusts you. You'll sense it when she respects your space, yet still manages to make you feel close. She doesn't need to check your phone, your messages, or your friends. Her confidence comes from a place of peace, the peace that says, I know his heart knows who am I. Sometimes love hides in the little sacrifices. She'll stay up late just to make sure you got home safe. She'll give up her comfort to make your life easier. She'll take interest in things she doesn't even like, just because for you. Love isn't always grand gestures. It's the unseen effort that he puts in. But the real test of love isn't during the good times, it's during the danger. When everything feels heavy, when you're frustrated, lost, or distant, watch how she reacts. A woman who truly loves you doesn't get lost in your difficult situation. She stays. She doesn't shout. She doesn't give ultimatums. She tries to understand. That's when you realize love isn't found in words. It's proven in endurance. Love also reveals itself through vulnerability. You'll know she's in love when she opens up about her fears, her insecurities, her past, when she trusts you enough to be raw, to show you the parts of her she hides from the world. A woman only becomes vulnerable with the man she truly believes won't use her weakness against her. And yes, sometimes she'll argue with you. She'll challenge you, not because she wants to fight, but because she's emotionally invested. Indifference is the opposite of love. When she debates with passion, when she corrects you gently, when she gets upset because you forgot something, it's because your actions matter to her. You matter to her. Real love is also protective, not possessive, but protective. If she truly loves you, she'll worry when someone disrespects you. She'll defend you even when you're not there to see it. She'll stand up for you in silence because her loyalty isn't for show. It's instinct. Now, sometimes love is hidden in hesitation. She might hold back saying, "I love you," out loud, not because she doesn't feel it, but because she's scared it's too soon or afraid you won't feel the same. So instead she expresses it through consistency. She shows up, she checks in, she stays when others would have left. That's her version of saying, "I love you," without using words. The beauty of real love lies in its contradictions. It's gentle yet powerful, quiet yet loud, ordinary yet extraordinary. You won't always recognize it at first. It doesn't announce itself with fireworks. It sneaks in like a whisper that slowly becomes your favorite sound. You'll notice it in the moments you least expect, like when she sends you a message just because she had a feeling you were upset, or when she knows exactly what to say when you're silent. That kind of connection isn't luck. It's emotional alignment. It means she's tuned into your energy, your rhythm, your essence. Real love isn't perfect. It has arguments, silence, misunderstandings. But beneath all that, there's a sense of peace, a quiet voice that says, "We'll be okay." If you feel that calm with her, even when everything else feels chaotic, then you're not imagining it. That's love. A woman in love won't always make grand declarations. She'll show it in the way she touches your hand, the way she laughs at your worst jokes, the way she mirrors your habits without realizing it. You'll start to notice how your energy affects her mood. When you're sad, she's quieter. When you're excited, she lights up. Her emotions start dancing with yours, as if both your souls are learning the same song. Real love doesn't drain you, it nourishes you. It makes you want to become better, not out of pressure, but out of inspiration. When you find yourself smiling without reason, when her presence feels like home, that's not infatuation. That's love settling in. And when she says she believes in you, then believe her. Because those words aren't casual. They come from a heart that's invested in your growth. She sees the version of you that even you can't see sometimes. That's why love is powerful. It gives you the courage to become the person you were meant to be. But be careful. Love that's real deserves recognition. Never take her efforts for granted, because the moment you start ignoring her small acts of care, you'll start losing the magic that made her fall for you in the first place. Appreciate her. Let her know you notice. When she sends that random text, when she waits up for you, when she laughs just to make you feel lighter, tell her it matters, because it does. Love, at its core, is about presence. It's about showing up, not only when things are easy, but when things are hard. A woman who truly loves you will stay through your uncertainty, your mistakes, your rough edges. Not because she's blind to them, but because she sees something deeper. That's your heart. And the most subtle sign of all, peace. When her love is real, you'll feel it, not as anxiety, not as confusion, but as calm. You won't need to overthink her messages or decode every emoji. Her consistency will speak for itself. You'll stop wondering where you stand, because her energy will tell you you're exactly where you belong. Real love doesn't confuse you. It clarifies you. It doesn't make you question your worth. It reminds you of it. It's not a chase. It's a connection. You won't need to play games or prove yourself, because she already sees you as you are and chooses you anyway. Sometimes the most beautiful part of love is its simplicity. It's her showing up with your favorite drink, her remembering something you said in passing, her texting "good night" just to make sure you sleep with a smile. Those moments may seem small, but they're the foundation of something lasting. And when you finally realize that she's not trying to impress you, she's just being herself around you, that's when you know she's not yours. Because love isn't about pretending, it's about peace in authenticity. When she lets you see her real, unfiltered self. Messy hair, tired eyes, random giggles. That's not carelessness. That's comfort. That's trust. That's love. So the next time you wonder if she truly loves you, don't just look for big signs. Watch for the quiet ones. Watch how her eyes soften when she says your name. Notice how she remembers what makes you smile. See how she reacts when you're distant. Love doesn't always speak. Sometimes it listens. At the end of the day, decoding her subtle signs isn't about analyzing every move she makes. It's about feeling the consistency of her care. Real love doesn't demand to be noticed. It simply shows up over and over until you can no longer ignore it. When a woman truly loves you, she doesn't just want your time. She wants your peace, your trust, your truth. She doesn't love the idea of you. She loves the reality of you. So if you found someone who looks at you with sincerity, who stays when things get messy, who believes in you when you don't believe in yourself, hold on to her. Because in a world full of temporary attention, finding someone whose love is quiet but real is the rarest treasure of all. Love doesn't always announce itself loudly. Sometimes it hides in a soft smile, a gentle hand, a patient heart. Learn to recognize it. And when you do, never let it go.